In part A, the idea is to find 1 minus 2 balls a same color. In this question, 2 balls are drawn at random, one after the other, without replacement. The probability of both balls are red is 4 over 12 times 3 over 11, which equals 1 over 11. If both balls are blue color, the probability is 5 over 12 times 4 over 11, which equals 5 over 33. If both balls are green color, the probability is 3 over 12 times 2 over 11, which equals 1 over 22. Therefore, the answer equals 1 minus 1 over 11 plus 5 over 33 plus 1 over 22, which equals 47 over 66. It is given that the first ball drawn is blue. Find the probability that the second ball is red. After the first ball is drawn, we have 11 balls left. Therefore, the probability equals 4 over 11.